friends! How is it going? I hope you're doing well. Our lesson for today will be about
Food. Part 4. Breads and baked goods. Bread. Bread. Baguettes. Baguettes. Toast. Toast. Cupcake. Cupcake. Croissant. Croissant. Bagel. Bagel. Roll. Roll. Pie. Pie. Cake. Cake. Pancakes. Pancakes. Donuts. Donuts. Biscuits. Biscuits. Cookies. Cookies. Pretzel. Pretzel. Crackers. Crackers. Challah. Challah. Hamburger bun. Hamburger bun. Hot dog bun. Hot dog bun. Pita bread. Pita bread. Swiss roll. Swiss roll. English muffin. English muffin. Waffle. Waffle. Pound cake. Pound cake. Breadsticks. Breadsticks. Genoa cake. Genoa cake.
That's all for today. I hope you found this lesson useful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next lesson. Bye!